Dear students, table number 7.1 in page number 91 is very important because there can be 1 or 2 marks questions related to this table. That is about the hormones present in human beings and the endocrine glands. Let us understand one by one. There are some 7 hormones given here. First one is growth hormone released from pituitary gland. In page number 90, there are two different conditions like dwarfism and also the giants. How the dwarfs are formed? When the pituitary hormones are released less, that is growth hormone is less in quantity than dwarfism, and the child will be very short in the size. And also giantism, when the child becomes very giant, means 7.5 feet taller, that is the question. That means the pituitary is secreted in high quantity, then that will be giantism. And it stimulates, the pituitary gland stimulates the growth and also controls the other hormones, how much they have to be released. That means pituitary gland is a controller of all the other endocrine glands, and it is present just below the brain. Second very important hormone is thyroxine. There is the thyroxine related questions also. Thyroxine means iodine has to come into your mind. Thyroid gland secretes the thyroxine hormone, and thyroxine hormone is called as metabolic hormone. It is also called as personality hormone, just because it controls it regulates the carbohydrate, protein and fat, all the three metabolism, their conversion, and also helps the body to be balanced in the growth. Iodine is necessary for the production of thyroxine. So, if iodine is less, thyroid gland will become larger in size, and it is a disorder called goiter, Goitre. So, simple goiter is a disorder of the thyroid gland. If we consume the iodine in our daily diet, this disorder can be controlled. So, if thyroid gland is asked, there can be variety of questions. Insulin is the third very important hormone. It is released from the pancreas gland. Pancreas is called as mixed gland because it produces insulin, which is a hormone, and also pancreatic juice, which is a digestive juice. And pancreatic juice is released through the duct. Insulin is released to the blood like the other endocrine glands. So pancreas can work even as digestive juice secreting gland and also the hormone secreting gland. So it is a mixed gland, and it regulates the blood sugar level. How it regulates the blood sugar level? It is given in 91 page number. The insulin always controls the glucose into glycogen conversion process. So if the insulin is released after we consume the food, and after 2 hours of consumption of food, the blood will contain more glucose that will be automatically converted into glycogen. So the level of sugar in the blood will be less when the insulin is in proper proportion. So the question can be asked like this: what happens if the pancreas doesn't function properly? Then there will be less insulin secretion and the sugar level in our blood will be high. When sugar level is high, it is called as diabetes, which is a disorder. And diabetes can lead to the failure of kidney, failure of nervous system, and also some heart attack. So all these problems can arise due to the less secretion of insulin.